Hello friends and welcome back to another vlog. We're back with another weekly vlog. Very excited about it. It is Monday today and it's currently 6 p.m. and I just finished work for the day. I had a really nice chill morning and then I worked 10 until 6. We had a lot of stuff on today, so it was a big learning day for everyone and that just really drains me. But you know what? We did it. It's fine. We're gonna move on. I have 2 days off now and I'm so excited. It's gonna be a good week. I'm glad today's over. I'm currently trying to convince my brother to come grocery shopping with me because I hate grocery shopping by myself, so we'll see whether he decides to come and join me or not. But I need to go grocery shopping tonight, then I need to like meal prep and like cook dinner and stuff like that. I want to go to the gym, but like I can't walk properly right now. If you guys watched last week's vlog, you would know that I've been getting back into the gym. I went Monday to Friday last week and I feel so good and like almost in the habit of it again, which I know habits don't like form in a week, but I just like feel good, feeling like I'm getting my life back in groove. Is that a phrase? Probably not. So I went to the gym last Friday, my 5th day in a row, feeling pumped, feeling ready. We did an entire Fit 45 class on legs. Every single station was legs, like 5 different types of squat, walking lunges, any leg exercise you could think of, we did it. And then we did Sally at the end, which if you know what Sally is, you would know that you would die after doing that on leg day. So today is like the 3rd day after that class and I still am struggling to walk. I might just start on Tuesday. I don't know. We'll see how we're feeling. That was my big ramble for the day. I'm gonna drive home and then go grocery shopping, hopefully. So it's a little bit later now. I don't even know what the time is. It is 6:45, so I've been home for a little bit. Honestly, I saw that my bestie Rachel uploaded a vlog, so I had to sit down and watch that before I did anything else. But I came home and there was the package, and I know that last week I had a Princess Polly package and now I have a Shopo package. Stressed. My neighbor's being so loud, it sounds like someone is in my house. Anyway, if you guys watched last week's vlog, I bought a dress and a skirt from Princess Polly and I loved the skirt, kept the skirt. I liked the dress but I didn't love it enough, so I returned the dress. And so in my mind I was just like, well, if I get the money back from the dress I might buy something else. So I hopped on Shopo and bought a cute little skirt. I bought the dress from Princess Polly to wear to a wedding. I don't know if I'll wear this to the wedding. I'm gonna open it and show you what I got. So this is the high stakes skirt from Shopo. It looks cute. So this is the skirt. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it's got like polka dot on the, like 3D polka dots on the skirt. I'm just gonna try this on with the t-shirt I'm wearing right now and some Connies I have on, but I just wanna see if it fits and what it looks like. I'll show you guys. I don't know if I love it. I don't know if it's because I'm wearing it with Connies and a t-shirt. I thought the frills were gonna be really cute, but they kind of just look really like poofy, which like I guess is what frills do, but do you know what I mean? It fits absolutely perfectly and it is so comfy. I feel like it just makes me look cute. I just don't know how I feel. I'll have to try it on when Rachel's home and get her opinion because I just don't know. Maybe it'll look better with like heels and a cute top on instead of like Connies and a t-shirt. Okay, that's all for now. So just while I wait for my brother to get here, I'm gonna write a grocery list. So basically how I plan out my week food wise, I decide on a meal that I'm gonna have for lunch and I decide on a meal that I'm gonna have for dinner. So for lunch this week, I'm just gonna have wraps because they're just like the easiest thing to take with me to work. So I need some more big wraps. I also want to put carrot in there, lettuce, spinach, cucumber. And then for dinner I want to have like a wrap pizza. So I have like smaller wraps left over from last week that I'm gonna put chicken and stuff on. Kind of things I put in my wrap for work but just flat on a pizza and like hot. Really good. So I need some chicken. I still have sauce. I need some fruit. I need a new block of cheese. I need some milk because I want to start having some rolled oats for breakfast. Switching it up. Crazy times. I have enough almond milk. I have enough butter. I'm trying to cut back on bread, so I'm not going to buy any bread this week. I feel like I'm missing something. And I have convinced my older brother Bryce to come grocery shopping with me tonight, so I kind of want chicken and veggies. So I think we're going to buy like 2 chicken schnitzels and then some broccoli and maybe just cook some carrot that I'm already buying. Just have some chicken and veggies for dinner. I think that's all I need. I really want some snacky things, but I just don't know what are like healthy snacks to buy. So if you have any recommendations, leave them down below. Let's go. Grocery haul. My bag, you can't see my bag, but it is absolutely full. I only got 2 nectarines this week because that's all that was left on the shelf. Very sad about it. What are you gonna do? I got 1 sweet potato and a couple of bananas. As usual, I got an iceberg lettuce and a bag of spinach. I got a continental cucumber. I got some big wraps for my wraps that I take with me to work. I got some blueberries. I got some frozen mango for smoothies. I got some carrots for my pizzas, my wraps, just my everything. Got some deodorant. Got a block of cheese because cheese is an essential. I got got this tub of YoPro yogurt. A subscriber messaged me and said that this was really good for me and I just really like yogurt. So I bought it and I really didn't need much convincing. I got 2 lots of milk and then I got some chicken and that's all. What's up, YouTube? Could I please grab a grande caramelized fuchsia with no cream? Could I also grab a grande creme strawberry with cream, please?
Guess who's back?
Good morning. It is Tuesday today and Brendan and I both have the day off for the first time in a while.
Ever, actually.
Originally, our plan was to go to a sunflower field, but just wasn't up for a 3-hour road trip, you know? Like there and then back. So we decided to come to the beach instead. We bought a couple cameras, gonna have a good old time. Just wanted to put it out there, all of the subscribers that have met Brendan in the past couple of months and have complained that I haven't been vlogging with him. I'm doing this for you. Literally, I swear I get a message a week from Brendan being like, hey, met another subscriber. They want me to be in more vlogs. Okay. And I'm like, sorry guys.
I'm just telling you the feedback that I've
But we're gonna go and get some breakfast first. You know us, so we always need to eat. I spilled my coffee on my plate. Sorry, just mopping it up.
I just feel that you're just vlogging you pretty much what you do at work.
We made it to breakfast. We're at a place at Burleigh called The Social Brew, I think is what it's called. I think I just tagged it on Instagram, so like I should know what it's called, but I don't. So as usual, I got an iced caramel latte. And I also got the morning burger, which I'm very excited about. Brendan got some sourdough toast with some bacon and halloumi. Just the usual, the classic. Help, help, help me please. I lost my wallet. An absolute mess. Also, a lady stole my park and it was really rude. Story time coming soon. There's 2 black ones with red beaks and they look kind of scary. What's up, YouTube? This is a clip of nothing. I don't know why I'm still recording it. And Brendan is...
Don't mind me.
Can you see the sweat glistening off my forehead?
I'm dying. I'm not. That's passing.
We're just having a bit of a pit stop because Brendan dropped his glasses down a hole.
No. I see him. Can I get out the other way?
No.
Look who's skinny.
Skinny legend.
Oh.
Oh, absolutely stressed me out.
It's just fantabulous.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Just keep all that in, and then just leave it all. How are we doing? There is a girl watching me vlog, so I see what Georgia means now. It's quite awkward. But anyway, I'm good. She is having a freak out. Are you okay? See? Easy! No. George of the jungle, watch out for that tree. We would never. George of the jungle.
In grade 5, I ran into a chair in my classroom, and so my grade 5 teacher decided to sing George of the jungle, watch out for that chair, and sang it my entire year of grade 5.
I didn't even know it in grade 5 when I sang that.
Yeah, you know, Brendan and I weren't even friends in high school, but that's how we know each other. But this is our view at the moment. Beautiful, lovely, love it.
Hey guys, welcome back. George is on the hill. I'm still here. She's feeling her oats. Good on her. I'm gonna put you in my pants and we're gonna go exploring. Who's a content creator now? Also, just so you guys know how dedicated I am to George's Instagram, follow the link here. I'm bleeding. I cut my leg for the gram.
Hey guys, welcome to my crib. This rock is from God. And that's all the furniture I have for today. Hope you enjoyed this tour. Give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like me to tour next. See you next time. Brendan is doing his thing. Brendan's blown up, so he's just replying to all of his messages at the moment. You'd think he's the famous one out of the 2 of us. I think we got all of our photos, and now we're gonna climb back down.
There's a bubble in you?
It was bubbly.
Ow!
I'm dying.
Who is the beat for
This is all gonna have to be bleeped out.
They know that you're belching.
Yeah, my mum would actually murder me if she saw me burp in a vlog.
Sorry, Mom. Why would even bother filming a drive with me? I've got this spicy content.
Spicy content.
Hi, welcome to the drive with me. It's only gonna be a minute. I'm sorry.
It's not even in it.
Happiness is the same price as red bottoms. I can't take it back. Look where I'm at. We wasn't be like DLC. Remember that. If you love like that, run, 'cause baby.
We're in Australia. This is a classic.
Help!
It isn't fair. Just wanna go home, wanna go home, wanna go home.
Who is this?
I feel better. Bridges they are burning. Lover, I am worried. Burning. Da, 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 da.
What a classic.
Every kiss is a door. Can I knock on yours? Can we knock a little more? Let me tell you again. Love so soft, you ain't had nothing softer. Breaking in your bite and it's sure gonna cost you.
So I did it.
I am confident, but I still have my moments, baby. That's just me. I
love Demi Lovato.
Honey?
In the back of my car. Lady bodies.
Head underwater, and you tell me to breathe easy for a while. The breathing gets harder, even I know that. I'm not gonna write you a love song, 'cause you asked for it, 'cause you need one. You see, says deep down under you and your twisted words, your help just hurts. You are not what I thought you were.
Yeah, I think my first one.
Tell me how you lie. You know I've been working so long. When you were back home, I forget it now. 'Cause I'm picking up stones without you. Can't pick up the phone without you. I'm a little bit lost without you. 'Cause I found you. Doing it right, doing it right. Hands up for a miracle, up high for a miracle. Will someone take a ride with me back to the world where we can see echo strong, river deep, concrete hazy? Won't you take a ride with me? 'Cause I found you.
Oh.
I'm on.
That's better.
Bye!
It is Wednesday today and I'm about to head off to my mum's house because I'm gonna have a PT session with her and her like PT trainer. So I'm a bit nervous, but like out of my comfort zone. I've never done a PT session before, but I'm assuming it'll be good. This is my OOTD, all black everything apparently. I have on this black Nike t-shirt, black Lorna Jane tights, and I have on my all black Nikes. Big fan, but yeah, wish me luck, I'm stressed. I finished up at the PT session. It was really hard, but it was also really good. We did boxing, which I don't do a lot. I really want to try the boxing class that my gym has, but I'm honestly like really scared. I'm just scared, but I think Georgia Woodford and I are gonna go and try it out. But anyway, I haven't done boxing since like high school, I feel like, so that was really good. Punching things like with all the strength I have is just really fun, which sounds stupid, but it was really good. But because I'm a grub, I'm not gonna go home and shower. I'm gonna go to Zaraffas instead. So I'm currently at my old local Zaraffas, and I really hope that the table I used to sit at is free because I really want to sit there, get a coffee and smash out some editing, just do a rough cut of my vlog, and then I need to go home and get lots of cleaning done. It's gonna be a great time. It is Friday. It's currently 6 p.m, so it's a little bit of a late start to the vlog. I apologize. I had work from 7:30 until 3 today, and then I just have been at home getting a few things done that I've been meaning to get done for a while. And this is every single vlog. I sit down in this spot and I open a package. It was Princess Polly, then it was Showpo, now it's Wildflower, and I can't promise it's gonna be the last time. Yes, I'm so excited. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have probably seen me post a poll on which phone case to get, and I had this one or this one, and the yellow one won the vote by a lot, but that only made me realize that I wanted this one more. So I went against like 2,000 people,
and the grade was
the other one. It makes my phone look huge and I love that. Yes, yeah. Love that. I'm just gonna have a chill night in at home tonight. I need to edit, like I really need to edit. I also am gonna go for a run right now, I think. It's 6:21 and I've convinced myself I need to go on a run. I haven't been running in a while and I just need to get back into it. But I quickly just thought I would check in, tell you that I'm going. The shirt I have on is from Nike. I have on these navy tights that are from Cotton On, and I have my all black Nikes on. Just gonna push, gonna see how we go, and I'll update you after. Also, for anyone that's running, I listen to podcasts while I run, and right now I'm gonna listen to the new Health Code podcast. Let's go. I just ran 4 kilometers for the second time in my life and I did it in just over half an hour. I definitely took it slow at the start, but my shins were really hurting. I suffer from shin splints. If you guys also do, let me know down below. It's such a struggle, but literally the only way to get over shin splints is just to keep running. I'll put a photo on the screen here of the running app that I use and what it recorded from my run, but my first 3 Ks were 8 minutes and 30 seconds or something, and then my last K was 7 minutes 30. So my aim is to run 5K in half an hour. So I just need to pick up my pace and I should be good, but that's the hardest bit, is the pace. I'm just gonna sit outside and take a breather for a sec, and then I'll go in and drink some water, have some dinner.
And I could easily